there's nobody behind you.
There is.
All right.
What do you want me to do?
Pull over to the right when you get onto the straight stretch. Let them pass. See if you can make it repeat that, like doing the first, second, second to first, and braking.
First gear, no, second gear.
Yeah. There's nobody behind you. So
Third gear.
Yeah. Now come to a stop. Like downshift.
Second gear. Oh, someone's going to be behind me, so I don't want to stop.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm in second. Third.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to downshift into second. Right now, second gear. I'm in first. And then I'm going to brake. Okay, first. Second. Third. I'm going to downshift. Braking. Second. Sorry. And going into first. First, second, third,
Try second and then first.
shit.
Okay.
What the hell was that?
Emergency brake.